Which synonym belongs to desiccate? The correct answer is execrate. Which synonym belongs to chuckle? The correct answer is chortle. Which synonym belongs to creep? The correct answer is crawl. Which synonym belongs to espionage? The correct answer is spying. Which synonym belongs to temerity? The correct answer is foolhardiness. Which synonym belongs to appease? The correct answer is still. Which synonym belongs to palpitate? The correct answer is quiver. Which synonym belongs to virago? The correct answer is shrew. Which synonym belongs to insolent? The correct answer is impertinent. Which synonym belongs to irreproachable? The correct answer is immaculate. Which synonym belongs to braggart? The correct answer is bragger. Which synonym belongs to idiom? The correct answer is language. Which synonym belongs to gargantuan? The correct answer is enormous. Which synonym belongs to vilify? The correct answer is demonize. Which synonym belongs to sylvan? The correct answer is grovy. Which synonym belongs to aptitude? The correct answer is talent. Which synonym belongs to consequential? The correct answer is considerable. Which synonym belongs to morgue? The correct answer is mortuary. Which synonym belongs to overwhelm? The correct answer is swamp. Which synonym belongs to fiend? The correct answer is monster.